Hello, shall we start then? I have given you two homeworks.
Yes,
Okay. And homework I will explain.
okay, ma'am.
By the time you write the heading as HCF. So when I explain the homework, I will explain. I won't take any other example. With this HCF itself, with this the numbers itself, we will study about HCF. Okay.
Ma'am, I came now.
Even I came now. No problem. Okay. So write the heading HCF. Can you see the board? Shall I change the color of the board then?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you given the homework, right?
Yes. I will explain it now. So I won't take any other example. I'll take the same homework examples. Okay.
ma'am.
So write the heading HCF. HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor. HCF is highest common factor. This much you write. This much. Highest common factor. Okay, children. Now I will explain and I'll take the homework example for explaining HCF. Okay. This homework example for explaining HCF. So, first, common factors of, what is the first question? Common factors of
35 and
35
and 50.
Yes.
35 and 50.
35 and 50. 35 and 50. Okay, children. So, 35 common factor we will write. 35 factors. So, 1 into 35 equal to 35. Then 5 only comes, right?
5 into 7.
7 equal to 35. Now, 7 into 5 also equal to 35.
35
And
into
35 into 1 equal to 35. Okay, children. Now, 50s. 50s.
1 into 50.
1 into 50 equal to 50.
25. 2 into 25.
25. By the time if anyone comes in the waiting room, you tell me. Okay, children.
5 into 10.
5 into 10 equal to 50.
10
Now,
into 5.
10 into 5. Now repetition. 10 into 5 equal to 50.
25 into
25 into
2.
equal to 50. Now
50
50 into 1 equal to
50.
50.
Factors of 35. 35.
Okay, then next one is
Factors of 35.
factors of 35 and factors of 50. Factors of 35.
1, 5, 7, 35.
35. Only this much. Now, factors of 50.
1, this should be written under 2, 5,
No need, children.
10, 25, and 50.
1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. And next one we will write common factors. So highest common factor. Highest common factor. First we wrote factors. Now we will write common factors.
Ma'am, HCF is 5.
Wait. Common factors. Now next step is to write common factors. That is
1 and 5.
1, 5 only.
5.
1 and 5. And which is the HCF, highest common factor in this highest one?
5.
In the common factors, highest one, that is highest common factor HCF. If you want, you write it again, or you already written, no? On the top you write HCF. You wrote homework, no? On the top you write HCF, highest common factor. I'll show the heading. You already written, right?
Yes.
HCF, highest common factor. This is the heading. highest common factor. HCF. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. On the top, you write the same heading.
Okay, ma'am.
That is enough. Now we will do the next one also. Next question is second one.
56 and 120.
56 and 120. 120. Okay. So we will get a lot of factors for this. 56 and 120.
1 into 56.
Okay. 1 minute. Uh, 1 into 56 equal to 56. 2 into 28 equal to 56.
4 into 14.
4 into 14.
14 equal to 56.
7 into
7 into 8.
Equal to 56. Then
14
8 into 7.
8 into 7 equal to 56.
14 into 4.
14 into 4.
28 into 2.
28 into 2.
56 into
56 into 1.
Okay. Now 120. 1 into 120 equals to 120.
2 into
into
60.
2 into 60 equal to 120.
3
3
into
into
40.
40.
3 into 40 equal to 120.
4
4
into
into
30.
30.
4 into 30 equal to 120.
5
Lot
into
of
5
factors.
into 24.
5 into 24 equal to
120.
120.
6
6
into
into
20.
20.
6 into 20 equal to 120.
8
8
into
into
15.
15.
Very good. 8 into 15 equal to 120.
10 into
10
12.
into 12.
into 12.
10 into 12 equal to 120.
12
12
into 10.
into 10.
Very good.
12 into
12 into 10 equal to 120.
15
into
into 8.
15 into 8.
Okay. Let me scroll the board.
Eight.
15 into 8 equal to 120.
20 into 6.
Into 6.
20 into 6 equal to 120.
24 into
4 into 5.
24 into
24
5.
into 5 equal to
24 to
120.
5.
30 into 4.
30 into 4.
40.
40 into
40
3.
into 3.
40 into 3.
40 into 3.
60 into
60 into 2.
into 3.
And 120 into 1.
120 into 1.
120 into 1.
This much. So we will write the factors first. I'm scrolling the board. You tell me the factors. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Factors of 50.
Plus of 56.
Factors of
56.
56. 1,
1,
2,
2, 4,
4,
7,
7,
8,
8,
14,
14,
28,
8 and
56.
56.
okay. Factors of 120.
120.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6,
8,
5, 6,
10,
8, 10,
12, 15,
15, 20,
20,
24,
24, 30,
30,
40,
40,
60 and 120.
this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. In between 11 is there, then 13, 14 is there, it is not there. 16, 17 is there, 18 is there, 19, then 20, 21, 22 not there, then 24, 25, 26, all those things are not there. 30, in between 40, 60 and 120. Okay. Now we will write common factors.
Common factors is
1,
equal to 1,
1, 2,
1
4
minute.
and
Let me
8.
put a tick over here. 1.
One.
Next is 2,
Then 4.
4,
Then 8.
And 8.
8. Okay. And highest common factor HCF?
8.
8.
HCF is 8. Okay. So we found HCF also by this method. This is for explanation. That is, it is usual ordinary method, general method to explain and to understand what is HCF. But always we won't use it. It is a long process. This is a long process. For finding HCF, we are not using this method because the process is long. You have to do a lot of calculation in this. Okay, we will use HCF division method, by division method. Okay, so this is our portion of this, this period. So HCF, finding HCF by division method. I hope you wrote all this. If you finish it, you tell me, I will erase it.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Mama finished writing. Mama finished writing.
Okay, okay. Shall I erase, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you write the heading. It is finding HCF by division method. Finding HCF by division method. Division method. You know this? Do you know this? Do you know this, children? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, children. So, you listen to me carefully. It is easier than LCM. It is easier than LCM. Such an easy method. I don't know whether you have studied this, but I use this method for finding HCF. And I teach my children also to find HCF to avoid the confusion. Okay, children. So, first question is, find the HCF of, are you listening? All are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Some children are not there. Find the HCF of, find the HCF of 18 and 48. Listen to me, children, listen to me. It is very important. When you study HCF, you don't forget LCM. Okay. HCF is 18, the same process. We write the number and we are dividing downwards. But we take only common numbers. We take only common numbers, only common factors for this. Only common factors. Last LCM, what we will do? Till last we will divide, right? Till we get 1, we will divide. Isn't it? Till we get 1. But here we are not doing like that. We are using only common numbers. Only common numbers. Are you listening, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we use only common numbers. And which is the common factor in this? Which is the common factor? You take the numbers which we can divide both the numbers. Don't take 1 each. Okay. So which is the common number? 2. So when we divide with 2,
9.
9 and 48,
24.
48. No, ma'am. 20.
24.
24. But next one we used to take 2 again in LCM
24.
because 24 we can divide, right? But here we won't take. We take only the common factor. Both the numbers which we can divide.
3. Ma'am, 3.
Yes, yes. Next 3. We can divide both 3 and 8.
8.
Now look at here. Now 3 and 8, any common factor is there?
No, ma'am.
So we will stop here. We'll stop.
HCF. So it is the HCF.
We will stop here. Our division over. Our division over. Our HCF is only these numbers. Clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
We
ma'am.
take only common numbers and our HCF is only these numbers. That is which we divided. 6. 2 into 3, 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the difference between division method, LCM and HCF?
Can you explain once more?
Yes.
And we are taking only common
We are
numbers.
taking only common numbers. Somebody told me to explain. Who is that?
Ananda Krishna.
Ananda Krishnan. See, children, see Ananda Krishnan, what we are doing is, we will take only the common numbers to divide, not like LCM. LCM, what we are doing is, we will take, if 2 is possible, we will take 2 with 3, with all numbers possible. But here, only common numbers we take. Okay, now you think whether you studied this or not?
Ma'am.
Studied.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
HCF, we take only common numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, is this HCF done by like prime factorization method?
Yes, yes. HCF also prime factorization. This is
Okay,
prime
sir.
factorization method. Smriti, you came now only?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so before that I explained about HCF detailing.
Ma'am, but like I remember what was taught in the last year. So
Okay, somebody please, Smriti, somebody please send a screenshot or this or notes, please send to Smriti. Okay. So
ma'am,
maybe.
can you show the slide?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I don't need it because like I have already missed some classes. So anyway, I'm seeing the recording.
Okay, good. So this is HCF. HCF is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay, children. Now we will explain one more question. Afterwards, you can write the notes. I will explain one more question. So this is the first one. And second one is, second question. Find the HCF of Find the HCF of 30 and 42. 30 and 42. Okay, children, how will you proceed? No need of writing now, you just listen. 30 and 42. The same way, prime factorization method, you look at the numbers. If it is even number, we can divide by. This is all prime factorization method. If it is even number, we can divide by 2. If it is 3 is divisibility, we can add and find out. So which is the number which is possible?
2.
Ma'am, 2 and 3.
2 and 3 both. Okay. So 2 with 2 we will divide first. 30 half. 30 is half. Tell me how much?
Ma'am, 15.
15. And 42 is
21.
21. Again, now with the 2 it is not possible, but both are the multiple of 3. Okay. So now 5 and
5
7.
and 7.
Now we will stop here because 5 and 7 no other common factors. Clear, children? So what is HCF here?
6.
HCF is 2 into 3 equal to 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Shall I give you one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you write it. Afterwards,
ma'am.
I'll give you 2 questions to do.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Yes, yes. So this is for you. Third question. Find the HCF of. The question is like that. Find the HCF of. Find the HCF of 1860. And fourth one, find the HCF of HCF of 2763. 2 questions.
Ma'am, this should be done. Ma'am, this should be done, right?
Now, do it.
Ma'am, finished.
Both.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am, can you show the board? Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I know. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
I'm finished writing.
Wait.
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finish.
Morning.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'm finished.
Ma'am.
Okay. So we'll do it now. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
so we'll do the third one first. HCF of 18 and 60. Okay. Both the numbers, both the numbers are even numbers. So we'll divide with 2.
2.
9,
30.
30.
30.
But next one, even if we can divide 30 by 2, we are not taking it.
3.
Next we will take with 3. So 3 and
3.
10.
finish.
10.
Finish. Only this much. Left
It's
side the
6
numbers.
2 into 3 is
2
equal
into
to
3 equal
6.
to 6.
2 into 3 equal to 6. These 3 problems, 6 is the HCF.
2 into 3. 6.
And next one is
27.
27 by
27
60.
and 63.
66.
63. 27 and 63.
63.
27.
27. 63. Both these we cannot divide by 2.
Ma'am,
3.
3.
So with the 3 only. 3.
9 and 21.
9 and
21.
21. Again, we cannot divide by 2. Okay. With the 3 only. So 3.
And 3 by
And
3
7.
was 3 and
7.
7.
3 and 7
HCF
only.
is 9.
3
9.
into 3 is
HCF
equal to
is
9.
9.
HCF equal to
9 and
9.
21.
3 into 3 is equal to 9.
9. 21.
3.
Huh? 9 only, right, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
That 3 and 7 we are not taking, only left side number. Okay.
3 and 7.
3 and 7. Now I'll give one question of 3 numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. 3 numbers. Okay. So this is the 5th question. Find HCF of. Find the HCF of. HCF of.
Fine.
70, 105, 175, 175. 70, 105, 175. See, children,
5.
when you see this, you will understand. 0 and 5. Last digit 0 and 5, both. These 3 numbers. So,
5.
with the divide with the 5. So, 5, 1, 20, 14. 14. Clear? And this is 21. You check whether you are getting the same answer. And this is 35. Check. Divide and check, children.
Ma'am, I got.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Okay, children. Now, see these 3 numbers. Is it possible to divide by 5 again?
No, ma'am.
No. Then which is the next number?
7.
Look at these numbers properly.
And 7.
7, correct. So we will divide with 7. 2, 3, 5. Okay. Only this much. Finished.
HCF
HCF is
HCF is
7
35.
35.
HCF equal to 5 into 7 equal to 35.
35.
35. Okay. Now, do you have any doubt in HCF?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I will give some notes for you. Some questions. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
175 when we divide it with the 5, we will get 31.
Last class I was
35.
not there.
35.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
last class I was not there.
Will you see the recorded class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, one question, just write it. What is the HCF of? The question is like this. What is the HCF of? This question is very important. HCF of 2 consecutive. What do you mean by consecutive, children? Consecutive. Say one day I explained about alternate. Alternate.
Yes, ma'am.
Alternate days. We have alternate days. Assembly on alternate days.
Means Monday,
Monday, Wednesday. So 1, 3, 5. All these are alternate numbers. Alternate 1, 3, 5. alternate numbers. Consecutive means the opposite of it, means it is continuous. Consecutive means continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Continuous. 10, 11, 12 are consecutive numbers. Clear, children? Consecutive
ma'am.
means continuous, coming one by one after the other. Okay, consecutive. And first question is consecutive numbers, simply numbers, consecutive numbers. And second one, consecutive even numbers, even numbers. And the third one is odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers. Think about it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, for consecutive numbers, there's no HCF.
Mm. Mm?
Ma'am, like for consecutive numbers, like
Consecutive, yes. Who is asking that? Smriti?
ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ask.
consecutive numbers, the first one is numbers. So, like, they won't have any
Simply numbers, natural numbers.
right?
Okay, children, consecutive, any natural number, two natural numbers if we take, which is the common factor? If any natural numbers we take, which is the common factor?
Ma'am, there is no common factor except one.
Yes, common factor is there.
1.
You take any natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Which is the common factor of it? 1. Answer is 1. If you take any common factor, which is the HCF? HCF, highest any common factor. 1 is the factor of all the numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
1 is the factor of all the numbers. So, which is the common factor of consecutive natural numbers or normal numbers? It is 1. Okay. And what about the even numbers? Example 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Which is the common factor of this? 2. Answer 2. And odd numbers?
3.
1, 3,
Ma'am,
5, 7. Which is the common factor?
1.
1. 1 is the common factor, not 3. 1. Even numbers. 2. Odd numbers. 1. Okay. I hope you wrote it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I told you this is a long chapter and we are moving to the factor tree. Factor tree. Have you heard of factor tree?
Yes,
Factor tree.
Yes, ma'am.
Factor tree. Factor tree means we will draw the, write the prime factors and we'll draw it as a tree. Clear, children? So you have studied in which standard, I know, but I will explain it.
New chapter or
No. No, our old, this chapter itself. Okay, children. So it is factor tree. Next, our topic is factor tree. And our first question is, draw the factor tree. Draw the factor tree of 10. One simple question I'll give. Of 10. Okay. So children, in our textbook, it is going downwards. But I used to draw upwards because a tree goes upwards, right? And the root comes downwards. So we'll draw like this. First of all, you write 10 and draw a circle. Okay. And what are the factors of 10, children?
1,
Ma'am, 1,
10, 2,
1,
5.
2, 5.
10. Okay, 1, 2, 5. We write only the prime numbers there. 2 and 5. Don't write 1 and 10. We avoid that 1 and that number. So this is factor tree. All prime numbers will come as the fruit of the tree, branches and fruit. Shall I give you one more question?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Second question. Draw the factor tree of 30. Draw the factor tree of 30. Will you also draw with me? Draw the factor tree of 30. 1 minute, children. So you take 2 first. 30. See, this is our question. And the one easy method I will tell you. Otherwise, sometimes you may think that if any mistake comes, you won't identify it. Easy method I'll give you. First, you write 30 here down and write the factor. If it is even number, you write the next one. What is the next one? 2 into what is 30? 2 into
20.
15. 2 into
15.
15. So, like this. Clear? Now, when you multiply 2 and 15, you will get 30. Again, with 2, it is not possible because already it is a prime. So, we leave 2 like that. But we can find the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? Is it possible with 3? 2? Is it possible with 2?
3,
15?
5,
15?
3.
No, ma'am.
3. 3. So we'll divide with 3. 3 into
and
what is
5.
15?
3 and
5,
5. Now is this, you check the top part of it, are all these prime numbers?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So if it is not a prime number, we have to draw the branches again. So now look at this 2, this 3 and this 5. These 3 numbers are prime numbers. Clear, children? And if you have any doubt, you just multiply it. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 is 6. Multiply these branches, this top part, 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply it, you will get 30. Only top part, which I have given just a dot. 2 into 3
Okay.
into 5. How much?
30.
30. Okay, children, so this is factor tree. And next class, I will give you some more questions. You need the homework
Yes,
of
ma'am.
factor tree
Yes,
and
ma'am.
HCF.
Yes,
Okay, I will give the homework and
ma'am, can you share the screen?
yes. And you draw it beautifully.
You can show the first.
Okay, I'll send the homework now itself. Tomorrow we have one more period, right?
Can you show it again and take a screen? Ma'am, tomorrow 2 periods.
2 periods are there. No,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Tomorrow 2 periods are there. Yes, yes. Tomorrow 2 periods are there. So we'll continue with it.
Ma'am, can you show the above one?
That is the homework.
Homework I'll send now.
Ma'am, and should we show the activity?
This part you want to see.
Yes.
Okay, shall I end the meeting, children? Just time to wind up. It's waiting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
and should we show
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
activity? Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am.
Ma'am.